Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. I hope everybody had a great Christmas and Happy New Year. Alright guys, today we are going to do some sinking funds, some sinking funds. And depending on how fast this video goes, because I didn't have a lot, because like I said, I put a lot towards my debt, we might throw in some savings challenges. So let's start with our high priority. Our truck is getting $5. Our savings is getting $40. Which, if you guys kind of noticed, my savings is a little meh looking. I had to, unfortunately, get into it because I didn't, somehow. The Y pipe on my truck broke. So then it was extremely loud and had trouble accelerating. So I had to get that fixed. And since I did my brakes and everything not too long ago, I hadn't had time to replenish my truck envelope, or the emergency. So I had to I did get into the emergency for this one too, but that's what it's there for. I guess it's what I'm using it for. Emergency is getting $20. So now it's just time to refocus and rebuild. Our gifts is going to get $17. We got 10, 15, 16, 17. Future house will be getting a $5. We're getting close to being able to do our little dice game with that. Babies is also getting $5. Wedding also getting $5. No new car, no debt, nothing else in there. So let's go to our low priorities. Nothing for tattoo. Our membership is getting our last $10 for that, so I can renew our Sam's Club membership, and then we'll start stuffing that all over again for next year's. Our puppers is going to get $5. Yep. Actually, I have to take some out of here because my mom had a coupon for dog food and stuff. We had to get a different brand because we used to feed our shepherds Victor, and then they had a recall on all of it, so then had to get a different brand temporarily, but she had a coupon, so we got 2 bags instead of just 1, so I owe her for my half of that. Our tea subscription is getting $12, 10, 11, 12. Yes, I have a tea subscription that comes out each month. It's my little thing that I get. No travel, no tax, no medical, no month ahead. That's not even a thing anymore because her Black Friday deal is over. Yep, we'll just do savings challenges in this video too. Or it's going to be like 2-minute video. Let me get to my page. This week, just because I did have a little extra money I wanted to put a little extra towards this, my 52-week challenge. So we are doing 4 numbers today. So we are doing number, let's find a color. Let's do, we'll do a light blue. I know there's already a light blue on there, but oh well. So we're doing number 28. Number 32. And then this little 6 here, and a bonus of 35. Yeah. So that little 6 there is because I added all these up, including the bonus, and it was $6 short of $1,500. So I'm not really sure what happened with that, but I just added my own 6 in there to make sure it went all the way. It went to what it was supposed to. So those 4 numbers added together is $101. $1. So 101. I think we have 3.5 months left of this challenge. And then that'll go towards debt. Skip that over. So we got our puzzle piece. And that is going to be getting a 10. Let's we'll do 10 all the way at the bottom. That is getting the 10. And when this is done, it'll be $500, which is not bad. So if both of those ended about the same time, that's $2,000 right there going into my debt, which is a good amount. It'd make a little bit of a dent in my debt. Our drinking F-Boy Tears is going to be getting our last $10. So let me find. I think that's our last 10 we can do. Everything else is lower. And when this one's done, it's 150. So, yeah, if all of them end at once, that's a little over, that's what, $1,100 almost, or just over 11. If you guys enjoyed these videos and want to see me keep saving and paying down debt, I need to make an updated debt confessions video because I definitely went the wrong way and now we gotta go back to the right way. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you already are subscribed, make sure you have that bell turned on so you know when I upload a video. Like my videos if you like my videos. That is, I'm not telling you to do it if you don't enjoy them, but don't dislike them. That's mean. Comment down below. I love interacting with you guys all the time about anything y'all want to talk about. Just comment down below. Let's talk about it. Share it with your friends and family so we can continue growing this community that is amazing and helpful. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.